Hello guys and welcome. Today I will be unboxing and testing a little piece of gear. Boya BY-M1Lavalier microphone. The reason I got this, first of all, it was very cheap, like 16 euros or something. And one of the other reasons is that I'm using this Rode Wireless Go microphone. And the microphone piece is here. And it's kind of awkward. It presses my throat and makes me gag a little bit. So I was thinking, but maybe this will help in that. Okay, let's see what's inside. Here we have the box. Let's open it. First impression, they have this bag inside there. This is actually pretty cool. Very nice. Then we have stickers. They are always nice, I guess. I'm not gonna, well, maybe I'm gonna put them in somewhere. This is warranty card, I guess. And then we have a manual. We don't read manual until something breaks. Okay, let's see what's inside. One of these bags. Some thingamajoo, I don't know what that is. And then we have the microphone itself with a darn long wire. How long wire do we have in here? I don't know. But we also have, yeah, I was thinking about where is all this stuff. Then we also have this bag with battery, a clip, and adapter from 3.5 to, is it 5 point something? I can't remember now. And a muffler. Let's put the muffler on immediately. There you go. Then we have this thing. What does it say? It says, you can change it into cameras or into smartphone. Let's put it on camera mode, I guess. Let's see. Okay, let's actually read the manual. Replacing the battery. Oh yeah, it needs battery. This is very interesting. Let's put the battery in first. Here. No. Wait, what? Where does the battery go? Remove the unscrew the two parts of the power pack and separate pieces. Yeah, I'm trying to. Yeah, I guess it's good that we are reading the manual. Okay, like that. Oh, there it is. There was a battery hole behind the whole thing. That's cool. Then let's put the battery in. That's in. With plus and minus on it. I think it's there. I think it's good. It looks good. Yeah. Now I wish there was a LED light or something to show me that everything works. It's probably working. Okay, then let's connect the clip. I'm gonna attach it into here. There we go. Looks great. And then I'm gonna unfold this. I'm probably never going to need this much of wire, so I'm gonna keep it in one piece. But this part I will be using. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. I think I can connect this to my gear inside for the gaming, so I'm gonna probably try this just for the laughs of it on computer too. We'll see. So now I'm using this microphone without any, just alone. Let's see if the sound changes a lot when I put this on. How does it sound now? What does the microphone receiver says? It says everything should be okay. How does it sound now? If I scream a little, or if I whisper a little, how does it sound? Of course, I cannot tell you my opinion at the moment, but I'm gonna check it out in the edit. And this is, I like this. I hope this works good, because this makes stuff so much easier. So yeah, how do you like it? Was it better with this, or was it better with just the microphone, the Rode microphone itself? Let me know down in the comments. But other than that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.